Bobby pins, bobby pins, bobby pins? You're back in the shop, guys. This week we're gonna build a magnetic bobby pin holder. Now it seems right now there's bobby pins all over the house, and it's not just my wife. My hair is out of control, and I've been taking bobby pins from her stash and pulling my hair back with it when it gets too hot to wear a hat. So I'm just as guilty as she is. So I think this week on the channel, we're gonna build her a cool magnetic bobby pin holder. Stick around to the end. I'm Stoner Ericson from Ericson Design Company. Let's build something. Ta-da! I'm just gonna start by taking a piece of 1/2-inch oak, red oak I have, and marking it, and then just slicing off a little piece for the leaf to sit on. Now I'm going to take some adhesive and spray both sides and adhere it to the piece of red oak. The bandsaw out, it's on a flip top table here, so we're just gonna flip it over. I built these off of Fix This Build That guy's plans, and it was actually really fun and makes tons of extra space in my shop having 2 tools on one stand. We'll just move into the bandsaw and slowly notch it out. If you like fun, creative projects like this, definitely smash that subscribe button and leave me a comment. I read all of them and I love to get them, so take the time to leave me a comment. Plus there's affiliate links down low if you want to buy or order any of that stuff. You can help out my channel. Solving problems creatively is a lot of fun for me, so this was just something that's kind of been on my plate with little bobby pins around the house all the time and on the counter, so now we know where they go. Now we have a place to put them. We're going to grab our 1-inch Forstner bit and we're going to hog out about 3/8 inches down into this back of the wood. We're going to grab our rare earth magnet here and screw it on. That was a lot of fun. It is always fun for me to build something cool for my wife. She's such a peach. So if you like videos like this, check out my other videos right here. Like, subscribe, and share. Check out the affiliate links. I'm Stoner Ericson from Ericson Design Company, and we built something. Ta-da!